Hi guys! This is Bernie from Crabtek, and today I'm gonna show you another smart product, which is our smart BMI scale. The Crabtek Smart BMI scale can keep you track your measurements, not just your weight, but your complete body composition analysis by using our Crabtek Home application. It can also give you data so you can make an exercise plan and ways to reduce fat and personalized diet. It has also an automatic comparison of your daily measurement data so you can witness your daily efforts and changes. So let's start. So here's our smart BMI scale. And according to the box, it calculates BMI, easy to use app. And you can actually view your progress or multiple users support through the home application, Crabtek application. And here are the specifications. The weight maximum is 180 kilograms, increments 0.1 kilograms, and of course, yung connection niya is through Wi-Fi. Make sure na 2G connection. It supports iOS. Make sure lang na 8.0 version siya. Higher, and sa Android naman is 4.4 or higher. And the product comes with free batteries, tatlong AAA siya, and the size is 300 by 300 by 22 millimeters. And we have two available colors, yung white and yung color black. So, i-unbox na natin siya. Alright. So, the box comes with our Crabtek Home application manual para po may guide kayo kung paano natin i-connect yung ating smart BMI scale sa ating application. We also have the welcoming letter from Crabtek. Ayan, our thank you letter. And of course, yung ating paper bag from Crabtek and the BMI scale manuals. And of course, our smart BMI scale. Ayan, natin siya. Ayan, may kasama na siyang free battery from Crabtek. Okay, so ilagay na muna natin yung battery. Ayan. So, automatic nag-on na siya nung nilagyan na natin ng battery. And as you can see, meron din siyang Wi-Fi indicator. Ayan, para ma-connect natin yung ating BMI scale sa ating Crabtek application. First, we have to download the Crabtek Home application. You can scan it here on our Crabtek Home manual, or you can just simply go to the Google Play Store or App Store to download the application. So let's start to connect our BMI scale to our Crabtek Home application. So when you open the app, ito yung page na makikita ninyo. So merong plus sign dito sa taas. We have to tap on it para ma-connect yung ating BMI scale. And kindly go to health. Ayan. And then, body fat scale. Makikita nyo siya dyan. Alright. Sabi dito, confirm indicator, rapidly blink. So, yung indicator natin is yung ating Wi-Fi, banda rito. Ayan. So, since nagbe-blink siya, ayan, i-confirm natin. Then, hit next. And then, connect to the Wi-Fi. And let's just wait for the app to connect to the BMI scale. Alright, so we were now able to connect to the BMI scale. Kindly hit done here. And there you go. So from that, you will just have to complete your details. Ayan, ako meron na kasi ako. So lalagay nyo lang yung inyong name and yung inyong birth date and yung inyong height. We can actually add up to 10 family members on this application. And ngayon, magtitimbang muna ako para makita natin yung ating body mass index. Let's start. And so ngayon, magtitimbang na po ako and let's see kung ano yung mga kailangan nating gawin sa ating katawan. Start. Alright, so ayan nga po, nakapagtimbang na tayo. And of course, regarding dun sa pagtitimbang, we have to wait for the blink, no? Para ma-make sure na tama yung ating timbang. And lumabas na rin po siya sa ating application, nakalagay 55.5 kilograms. Ayan. So, kanina may C option. Itatap nyo lang yung C option. And ito yung makikita nyo. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dito is yung body fat, body score, and BMI. So, according sa ating application, ang BMI ko is 19.2. And sabi dito, ang ating BMI is standard naman. So, may weight, BMI, fat-free body weight, water content ng inyong body. Sabi dito is standard naman din. May muscle volume. Ayun. Sabi niya sa akin, low. Low daw ang muscle volume ko. Siguro kailangan kong magdagdag ng muscle. Ayun. So, on this app, makikita na natin kung ano yung mga kulang sa ating body, kung ano yung mga sobra, which is perfect para sa mga conscious sa kanilang mga katawan, sa mga gustong mag-diet. So, perfect na perfect ito para sa inyo. And of course, another thing, pwede kayong mag-add ng inyong family member. Up to 10 ang ating pwedeng i-add dito. So, ako meron na akong record dito. Ayan, Bernadette. And dito, meron lang siyang add dito. Add new user. So, hanggang 10 members ang pwede nating i-record dito sa ating app. And of course, nga pala, meron din tayong historical data. Ayan, kung saan may kita natin yung ating progress. Let's say talagang nagda-diet ka. Last week, ganito yung timbang mo. So, pwede mo siyang i-check dito. Ayan, kung may nabawas ba sa'yo sa inyong weight. And lahat yan makikita nyo sa ating Crabtek Home application. Alright, and that's our smart BMI scale. If you want to purchase this product, you can click on the description below. And of course, please follow our Facebook page, Crabtek Home. And of course, follow and subscribe on our YouTube channel. That's Crabtek Home for more video updates. Again, my name is Bernie. Have a great day and stay safe, everyone. Thank you.